Okay, in this question we're multiplying two fractions, so we're going to be multiplying the tops and multiplying the bottoms, but in its simplest form suggests things are going to simplify. So what we need to do with this and with this is to factorize them, because what we're expecting to happen is that there will be at least one common factor that we can cancel. You can also see with a 2 here and an 8 here, there's some numerical cancelling as well as linear factors in x that are going to cancel. So that's part 1. Now in part 2 we're now adding fractions. So remember, when we add fractions we have to get a common denominator. So the question you need to ask yourself is this going to be like adding something over 3 to something over 4, where the common denominator you need is just 3 times 4, or is it going to be more like adding something like something over 36 to something over 4, where because 4 is a factor of the 36, we can use 36 as our common denominator. So looking at these, 2x plus 5 I don't think factorizes, but this thing here, again, you're going to factorize your quadratic bracket, and if there is any overlap between this, if this appears as a factor in that, that will affect the common denominator you use. Once you know what your common denominator is, so you can have that denominator, whatever it is, might be a couple of brackets on the bottom, you're going to put both of the fractions, express them over that common denominator. So you look at what's happened to the bottom's been multiplied by something, then you need to do the same thing to the top before you attempt to add these fractions. And you have examples of this in your notes.